Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang ang Mr. Queen PH online shop. Meron tayong mga power bracelets for protection, prosperity, at marami pang iba. And then, meron din tayong mga zodiac sign bracelets na nag-a-align ng energies for each zodiac signs. And then, we also have intention oils na merong tatlong sizes. Meron tayong 5 ml, and then merong 15 ml dropper, and then 30 ml dropper, intention oil. And then we also have a spell jar for protection and prosperity. And then the latest addition sa ating mga products ay ang cleansing and protection spray. So available siya in 50 ml and 100 ml bottle. Ayan, so available yan lahat sa ating Shopee, link on the description.
Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 16 to 22, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lang yung reading na to bilang gabay. So this is your Virgo bracelet. Meron tong moss agate, amazonite at turquoise. So available to sa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Ayan. So let's see, Virgo, ano yung energy ninyo for this week? Ano yung energy ng mga Virgo? The Empress. Wow, very productive kayo ngayon. There's abundance, there's grace, there's fertility. Some of you, mayroon kayong pagkakataon na magkaroon ng anak. Oo, baby. Or pwedeng sa family member ninyo. May mabubuntis or may currently buntis na. This is also taking care of yourself. So, I feel like you are also going to focus on your health, your well-being, no? Oo, self-love, self-care, the Empress energy. So, let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Virgo? Queen of Wands. So, I feel like, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng, may mga times na hindi nyo pa, parang hindi pa kayo ganun ka prepared or ready to discover your other side, no? Ibig sabihin yung creative side mo. Ano siguro iniisip mo na, hindi ko kaya yon or mahirap yon or mas okay na ako rito kasi wala akong dapat intindihin, ganun. So, there is something that you need to discover about yourself. This is your other talents, yung iba mo pang mga talento, galing. So, this is your opportunity with the full card. This is potentials, taking a risk, and your desires. So as bilang isang opportunity for you, I think there's an opportunity for you to break free, no? To go out of your comfort zone. Kumbaga. Kasi minsan, no, natatakot tayo na baka pag umalis tayo sa isang situation na kinabibilangan natin, let's say sa career mo, let's say you are an employee, and then there's an opportunity for you to have your own business or maging self-employed na yung iyong creative skills pwede mong gamitin to earn money. Minsan natatakot tayo dun kasi inisip natin wala siyang assurance, no? Oo. But of course, ikaw mamimili niyan. If you want to stay in that situation, so huwag ka masyadong mag-expect na may magbabago unless you take a risk, unless you take a leap of faith. And there's an opportunity for you to break free, to go out of your comfort zone. What is the blessing? Oh, 6 of Wands. Ang ganda naman ito as a blessing. So this is success. This is triumph. This is glory. I see you becoming more famous, mas may recognition. Oo, yung iba sa inyo na nagbabalak na pumasok sa social media or i-share yung inyong talents, knowledge, and skills sa social media. Any platform, no? Merong sa inyong opportunity na makilala, maging successful sa field na yan. Kailangan nyo na lang talaga ng lakas ng loob. Oo. Lakas ng loob. Kasi I see as a blessing, no? may suporta na parating sa inyo. As long as kayo ay magiging authentic, magiging totoo ka sa sarili mo, people will embrace who you really are. Okay? Let's see, ano tong Empress? The Strength card. Ayan. So, kailangan mo lang talaga ng courage, ng lakas ng loob, na, magtiwala ka sa sarili mong kakayanan, because the Empress is about your skills, your abilities, your talents, and kung yung productivity mo, some of you are very artistic, some of you are really good in the beauty industry, fashion industry. So, express yourself. Magkakaroon ka na ng lakas ng loob. What is the Queen of Wands? The Chariot. O yung iba sa inyo, meron na talagang opportunity, kaya lang kayo mismo yung pwedeng nagde-delay niyan, no? With the Chariot as your challenge. Parang naghihirapan ka mag-take ng first step. Alam mo yun, na parang, because, yung iba, may fear, siguro nag-aalala kayo, what if it doesn't work? Pero what if it works? 'Di ba? Sayang naman yung opportunity. What is the Fool? The Ten of Wands. I think, yung iba, niisip nyo, there's a lot of responsibilities, ang daming kailangan gawin, ang daming kailangan intindihin. But, hindi naman ganun kadali para maging successful eh. Dahil kung madali lang, di lahat na lang ngayon is successful, 'di ba? So, it's a journey that you need to go through. Kung hanggang saan mo kayang magtiis, hanggang saan mo kaya na i-push yung sarili mo to your limit, no? And ano man yung dinidemand nitong opportunity na to para sa'yo, kaya mo siyang i-handle. Okay? Kaya mong i-handle yan. What is the Six of Wands? The Page of Swords. You also have the opportunity to learn something new, to educate yourself, no? May mga bagong learnings, may trainings, pwedeng self-study, pwede ring mentorship from people na kapareho mo ng pinagdaanan, or someone na mag-i-inspire sa'yo na mas madagdagan pa yung iyong kaalaman. Oo. This is about you learning more, studying more. Sabi nga, knowledge is power. So, conservation, sea turtle, make conscious choices. So, pagdating sa mga pipiliin mo na desisyon, dapat aware ka sa magiging resulta niyan, sa mga possibilities niyan, at alam mo yung mga consequences niyan, okay? Para you will be responsible for the results of your decisions, no? Being conscious, being aware of your choices. Okay, so that is your reading, Virgo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Virgo. See you again.